This is the beginning of the cardboard story. Sustainable pine forests.
Pine harvesting of fast-growing softwood is mechanized for maximum efficiency, providing fibers ideal for cardboard production. This raw material begins its transformation journey from living tree to packaging material. This pulp slurry is 99% 1% water and just extreme. As the slurry is deposited, water drains through the screen, leaving the fibers to align and entangle, transforming from liquid to solid. The finished liner board emerges. Completely dry and stable, this smooth brown surface, rich in strong long fibers. The winding process complete, this massive jumbo roll, weighing 30 tons, represents miles of continuous corrugated board production. The fluted medium is precisely glued and pressed against the liner board at the nip point, creating an incredibly strong, lightweight corrugated structure. The structure is completed as the final liner is applied, forming the liner-flute-liner sandwich. The three-layer sandwich creates strength through geometry. The fluted core provides vertical compression resistance. At 180 degrees Celsius, the adhesive cures instantly. The heat evaporates the moisture, strengthening the bond for dimensional stability. As pressure mounts, the adhesive bond is critical.
Here we see the engineered simplicity of the closure mechanism. Interlocking front tabs create a secure friction fit.
Automation ensures these bundles are counted and wrapped tightly, streamlining inventory management before they ship out to pizza restaurants.
The flat box advantage is clear. Unassembled, they stack efficiently, reducing transportation costs.
Millions of boxes weekly move through this distribution center, ensuring just-in-time delivery to pizzerias nationwide. Boxes are assembled only as needed during service, balancing storage constraints with demand. It's a system designed for maximum efficiency in limited space. This box is engineered to protect the pizza during delivery, insulating it, while ventilation prevents sogginess.
Corrugated cardboard is among the most recycled materials, with over 90% recovery rate. Used pizza boxes.
Recycled content characteristics: darker color from ink residue in recycled fiber, slightly weaker strength from shorter fibers.
Through modernization, including heat recovery systems and efficient corrugators, this plant has achieved a 30%.
Our closed-loop water recycling system is essential for sustainable operation, allowing us to treat and reuse.
This is the future of manufacturing.
Here is your pizza.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Far from simple packaging, the pizza box represents sophisticated engineering. Its structural design and this is the integrated supply chain, connecting forestry to consumers, a complex industrial ecosystem.
Here, the sustainable cycle is clear. Harvested areas regenerate with new trees.
Manufacturing never stops. Billions of boxes produced annually, an industrial achievement supporting the global pizza industry around the clock.